With healthcare on the chopping block and in the wake of the tragedies at the Capitol building and the Navy Yard, the nation's attention is shifting to the topic of preventative mental health care. Yasmin Zamarodian has experienced the horrors of untreated mental health firsthand when her friend was murdered in broad daylight 3 years ago.
They claimed that he was schizophrenic and he had mental disorders and he was on drugs, all which, I want to say could have been treated and could have saved my friend's life.
In fact, many agree that preventative care is the key to helping those with mental illness. Mira Signer of NEMA says that accessibility and availability are necessary when providing help for those with mental illness.
So it's important to put funding into services ahead of time because again, most people with mental illnesses don't wait. At some point, they're going to need treatment.
Advocates agree the Affordable Care Act and other forms of preventative care are key to providing mental health care to the mentally ill.
Think about the fact that 1 in 4 people are impacted in some way by mental illness. The public really has an obligation to learn more and to be aware.
According to the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, Obamacare will provide 62 million Americans with mental illness the eligibility to enroll in health care services. Any potential reform will happen here on Capitol Hill. For WVCU News, I'm Allison Bauer.